Dude, you're getting mod stack.
Steven, is that you? Haha, man, I know why you're laughing. It's been like 20 years and I still haven't seen that free CD burner upgrade. That was the very famous Ben Curtis, ladies and gentlemen. Anywho, this is a not so famous OEM GTX 960 from a Lenovo, I believe. It started off as a cleaning and, well, it kind of got carried away. I was just going to clean and re-thermal paste this card, as I do with any used graphics card I buy. However, this particular card is just really bland, so I wondered, hey, should I paint this thing? Maybe not. I don't know. Because if I did, I'd have to wash it, then I'd have to take some rubbing alcohol to get the oils off, then I'd have to tape it up. Oh boy, here we go. With Krylon Fusion from Walmart, it already has primer built into it. Get that other can out of here. X-Acto knife cleans up all those rough spots from the tape. Now just remember where you put all those screws and where they go, and do not over tighten those. I really love how the yellow turned out, but now I'm thinking, why not some vinyl stickers? So I'll bust out the machine and make those. There's nothing like a fresh peel, you know. Ooh, I think it looks pretty fantastic and it ought to run cool. Oh wait, I know I gotta find a yellow PC to put this in. Huh, it's always something, isn't it?
Dude, you're getting mod stack.